Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, a Suguru. Yes, in this additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, November the 9th, 2022. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know. But this will be number 5457. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright. Is this really a 4 stars? We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Here 1, there 1. Dual boxes. Do we have a dual box here? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in. So this box should be a 2. 1 dual box. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this L shape here. When you see this L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another L shape, but upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. More L shapes. Here another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. Then the following. Oh, here another L shape rotated. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember well, I draw this wrong. It should be that way. Alright. Under, not that way, but under here. Yes, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. All right, do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, we have here another one. So this box has the same name as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same name as that box. And here another one. Rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Well, then the following shape. The following shape. I believe there are only 2. Yes, only 2 out of 6. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Only 2, not 6. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then. Well. These are 3 boxes surround a 5. Can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be. Wait. No. Wrong conclusion. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. And this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. This is... 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. I should be there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, alright. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, I should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 3. Alright. Well. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. We also 3 and 4. Okay, two numbers left in this area for numbers also for the 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. So 2 numbers left. Also for the 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 5. Let me think. 1, 4, 5, 2, and 3. Well. 1, 2, 5, 3, and 4. Well, this box cannot be a 1, can be 2, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. Alright. Now 2, 4. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there in the L-shaped area. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 5, 4 and 5. Okay. 1, 4, 3 and 2. Alright. Well. No 3 there. 3 and 4. Come on. I overlooked something. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This box can be 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright, overlook this 4. And it's connected with that box should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. I marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3 anymore. We have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. I need to wait here. Okay. 2, 5, and the 4 are missing. 4. Okay, need to wait. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here. Could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 3. Let me mark those. 5 and 3 is connected with that box, should be also 5 and 3. Yeah, let me think. Need more information here. Come on. I think, oh, we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 5 and a 3. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. Overlook this 5 also. So this box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Overlook this 3 again. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3 and this box should be a 4. Finished in 16 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Yes, new day, new puzzles. See you then. Bye-bye for now.